Oh my god.
Did you hear about the new Coca-Cola?
Is it the one that's diluted with water?
Huh?
Well, sorry, what would you say?
The one that's diluted with water?
Yeah.
Nah, bro, the one that Spider-Man's grandma made.
Spider-Man's grandma made?
Yeah.
It's very specific.
Ah, yes, it's called Spider-Man Coke.
What? What is going on, guys? So we have just arrived to our new apartment. This apartment, vibes. It's giving me single bachelor vibes. But anyway, let's go inside and reveal to you the greatness. Okay, okay. I wasn't joking. I wasn't joking. Got a nice little apartment. Got ourselves a nice view of the city as well. What do you think of the apartment?
I think it's very pretty.
Very pretty. Apparently the toilet's quite nice as well. Can't lie. It is. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah guys, that's the apartment that we're staying in tonight. Very, very nice, very, very aesthetic. It's a shame we're only staying in these places for one night. If you guys haven't yet watched the Malaga vlog, it is there on my channel. I'll leave a link there as well to go watch it. But yeah guys, this is the apartment. Very nice, very chic. Like I said, giving me like single bachelor vibes, you know? Like if I was alone, single, 30, rich, this is the place I'd be. In Spain, in Granada, living my best life, alone. But now guys, for real, it's very, very nice. Even the ceiling's nice. Even Nahyan's just nice. Like, you're a bit bright, aren't you?
I am. This is more realistic. This is more me.
Yeah.
Brownie boy in Spain.
But yeah guys, welcome to Granada. You feel like you're in Morocco?
Yeah.
I'm liking it, yeah. Go on. Eating like a king, yeah?
I found out these were really some cool shots. Put your camera.
It goes camera.
Give each other a stare down. 3, 2, 1.
Inshallah, like a massive house. I'd want to decorate a room like this.
Would you?
Like Moroccan style. Seats on the floor, pillows, this type of stuff. Ottoman style, yeah. Such a vibe, man.
It is such a vibe.
Sitting on the floor and eating and stuff.
Yeah.
Not that we're on the floor, but
Not me.
It's Sunnah, you know.
it's nice.
Sit on the floor and eat.
Oh, I thought you meant to have an Ottoman style.
No, 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 no. But the reason the Ottomans have it that way is because it's Sunnah.
This, when I'm at home, I eat with like, this is how I eat rice, yeah. Put my hand up like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Is it?
Proper Bengali style.
I eat with a knife and fork. I don't actually know.
Coke.
With a knife and fork.
It's not me.
Questionable, mate. Oh, some motion blur on that would be nice.
Samosas.
Huh?
What?
It's hungry. He got motion blur, it was samosas.
I have my chicken and rice with my hands, and I use 3 fingers and your thumb to just.
Use 3 fingers and a thumb.
Time to hijack the vlog, as I always do. Let's bait Bilal out, because, you know, that's what I do best. Bilal, you know what I got to say. Only good things. But anyways, we are at a restaurant. It's pretty cool. It's given Moroccan vibes, but we're in Spain. We are going to a castle, a palace after we've eaten. I ordered chicken and chips, as you do, and yeah, good vibes. I think I've got a bit of a tan. I don't know. Maybe catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so you finally got your paella out of the way.
Yes.
Let's see what you've got to say about it, innit? I guess. I've just got half chicken, you got half chicken. Let's get Nahyan's verdict.
It's alright, it's good.
What? You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you sure?
No. No, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Okay.
Tell the truth now, the vlog's off.
The vlog's up now, you can tell the truth.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Oh, it's that spicy, bro.
Alright guys, let's eat. You ruined my transition.
Sorry, go on.
You ruined it.
I'm sorry.
You ruined
I'll
it.
just do it again.
Right guys, let's eat. What's going on, guys? So we've just filled up our stomachs and now we are going to be heading off to, what's it called? Alhambra Palace. However, we did miss the opportunity to go inside because we didn't book it. We didn't know you had to book it. So if you're looking to come Spain, Granada, and you want to go to the Alhambra Palace, then make sure you book it in advance as well. So we have been able to get tickets to go to the gardens though, so we're going to go to the gardens right now and hopefully you know, get a bit of sightseeing done. If you can take some nice photos, we'll take some nice photos, get some video out the way as well.
Oh, sorry.
And
did I get into your foot? Sorry.
You're supposed to be in the vlog. It's okay, man. Don't worry.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Okay. But yeah, guys, we will see you at Alhambra Palace. 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys. So, just on our way to the Alhambra.
Cars coming.
What the hell? How does a car get through here? We're about to witness it.
What is he doing, bro? Man's doing some ballerina 12 and that.
I'm dizzy though.
Change it up. Look at it, cheers.
Right, guys, so we have just taken some very nice photos, haven't we?
Beautiful.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, lovely scenery. As you can see, we've got the palace behind us. Every couple of seconds we're finding a spot, so we're just gonna carry on. And yeah, what's the matter? Oh, you left the metal clip. What a clown. It's fine, your phone has image stabilization on it anyway.
Yeah, it's gonna be as good as I want. No, fuck, I do.
You have it.
I got it.
Show us then. So show us what this is. So for those of you that aren't really looking to get a gimbal and a camera, I'll be real with you, this is enough. Like if you've got this on your phone, you can expect some serious footage. So go on, show us how you do it. So
you just simply clip it on.
you clip the magnet thing on.
There we go.
Nahian, please get a phone case, man.
No, I like being risky. I'm a risky guy.
Don't be like me in my last vlog. If you haven't watched it, you know what to do. Yeah, you clip it on. It's a magnet. You're on it.
You on it, yeah?
You switch it on, sorry.
Mine's on it.
Yeah.
And yeah,
There we go, and it's
that
ready.
acts as a gimbal. So now, Nahian, if you give us a demo of what you can expect, and yeah, you just like, you know, it's smooth. It smoothens it out. No shake, no jitter. It's just nice. Right, guys, basically it just works with it. The thing keeps it steady through the motors. You have like a 3-axis motor, maybe a 2-axis on that one, innit? No, it's a 3-axis still. And that just stabilizes it, so you can move it this way, that way, and it will just move that way, but without the jitteriness, the suddenness of movement. So if you are creative that doesn't want to jump to a professional camera and a professional gimbal, that comes in at around £80. About 80 quid, innit? It's not that expensive. But yeah, let's carry on this little hike, shall we? Let's get that on. Guys, what a walk. Like genuinely, man. It's very... And that's how I know like I'm not fit. I just get out of breath, man. Quick. To be fair, we were climbing up a hill. But still, man. How you guys coping?
It's not bad. It's beautiful, man.
And literally just rent people and rent their hands.
That's 2 hands.
2 extra hands, yeah.
Guys, as you can see, it's very busy.
It all comes back to
I don't like that it's busy, but it is what it is. So yeah, I wish there was like an automatic mode. But yeah, guys. Very picturesque. Can't lie, this is more my mom's kind of thing.
Your mom.
Yeah, she loves flowers and stuff. Well, depends what you're planning to do. Alright, cool. Let me know when you're ready.
Just keep it natural. So
Man went from a big gimbal to a little gimbal.
So press the red button to record.
Downgrade.
Yeah, I know.
You got it?
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Cheers. Model. Everyone. Look at the views.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
You're right there. Single shots, and I'm just gonna Ken zoom.
Sit on the stairs.
Welcome to the Mickey Mouse Schoolhouse.
Oi, oi.
Outfit change. Oh, you know what that sounds like? You know the Japanese sound? Oi, oi.
Oh,
It sounds.
oi, oi.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Nahian,
Yes, sir.
did you hear about the new Coca-Cola?
This is the one that's diluted with water.
Huh?
Well, sorry, what would you say?
The one that's diluted with water?
Yeah.
Nah, bro, the one that Spider-Man's grandma made.
Spider-Man's grandma made.
Yeah.
It's very specific.
Ah, yes, it's called Spider-Man Coke.
What? Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Finally.
Didn't Tom and Jerry's brother invent the Pepsi version?
Yeah.
I think you should manufacture your own flavour.
Yeah, I feel like a good brand partnership would be with them.
Yeah, we could fill it with pomegranates.
Not Coca-Cola vanilla, not Coca-Cola cherry, just Coca-Cola water.
I think so.
Yeah,
That's
but the
a
water
great
should be
idea.
flavoured like.
And it would be
lemon.
healthier. Ronaldo would drink it.
True.
Yeah.
Should get
Yeah.
endorsed by Ronaldo's son,
Could be.
Neymar Jr.
Yeah, diluted Coke would taste amazing. honestly.
I'm getting like waffle vibes. Maybe I'm just hungry. I don't know. Guys, have you noticed anything? Have you noticed anything about any of us?
Okay.
Have you guys
Wait
noticed
a minute.
anything? If you notice it, comment it down below. We're not
Sorry.
Wrong timing, bro.
we're not ready for that conversation. But anyways, guys, if you haven't noticed, open your eyes and see. Sami yourself if you know you know. What? Was that bad?
That was horrible.
That's absolutely disgusting.
Yeah.
I'd take that SD card.
You know what? No, actually, that was really good. You should sing to like a massive crowd.
Yeah.
Finish it. Finish what you were gonna say.
No, I was gonna say I think you should go sing to a crowd because I think.
What crowd? No, I'm asking. I wanna predict your sentence.
I don't know what I was gonna say.
I actually won a few singing competitions. I came third.
Really?
I came third. Well, that would be for my voice broke. But anyway, yeah. If you haven't noticed, then open your eyes and see. I'm not gonna sing it again. Amazing view, innit?
Unbelievable, man.
Innit?
Yeah, it's unreal. Layers as well.
Literally, we walked all of that. Guys, the amount of walking we've done today, crazy, man.
My legs are gone. Finish.
Finish, bro. There, guys, that's the view.
Where? Oh.
Guys, vibing with the view. Show them the view. Wow. The lights are gonna come on. Well, they're already on actually. The sky's gonna get nice, like in terms of the colors. The colors gonna come really nice. Yeah. Alright, so we got like a cookie sandwich, ice cream thingy, but I don't know how to eat it. So let's figure it out. What's going on, guys? So we're just here in the streets of Granada, and yeah, man, it's vibes, enjoying ourselves. It is the end of the day. That means the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the scenery, the drone shots, me, him. Where are you? Oh, there you are. And if you did, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to the channel, and inshallah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.